Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel Linux Temple, and today I'm going to tell you how can we install drivers on our Ubuntu PC. So right after installation of Ubuntu, here you can see I'm not able to use the wireless device Wi-Fi. There's no option for Wi-Fi here. However, I can use Bluetooth, but I can't use Wi-Fi on my device. So this means I need to install Wi-Fi driver in my computer, and also there are lots of things that you need to do after installation of Ubuntu, and I've made a separate video on it. I highly recommend you to watch the 13 essential things that needs to be done after installation of Ubuntu. The link is in the description also. Okay, let's get in the topic. So for the installation of the driver, just go to menu, and there you have additional drivers. Just click on it. So here it will search for the available drivers, and first make sure that you are connected to the internet via Ethernet cable, and only then you can install the drivers. So here in my case I have driver installation available for my Broadcom wireless device. So in order to install this driver, just click here and then apply changes, and then you have to insert your password. Okay, since I'm not connected with internet, so I can't install driver right now. Okay, so in this way you can install wireless driver, and also if you have Nvidia graphics card, you can install graphics driver in the same way as you can see in the pictures. If you have Nvidia graphic card available in a computer, you can see different options for driver installations. Some of them are open source and most of them are proprietary drivers. Just select one of them and then click on apply changes, and then this will install the graphics driver in your computer. So guys, in this way we can install drivers on our Ubuntu PC. So I hope you like this video. Please support our channel by subscribing to us, and if you find this video useful, please like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.